this. And guys, you know how they dust your body when you eat a lot. Hi guys, guess where I am? I'm in the village. So guys, I came yesterday. It's just me. I came yesterday. We had a burial, like we were burying my grandpa, my small, is it called like brother to my grandpa. Yeah, he's the youngest brother, so we used to call him like grandpa mdogo, you see. Yeah, so you understand. So yeah, that was yesterday, and I'm here at home. It's raining. I'm supposed to go back today, and yeah. So guys, look what's here. So there are so many changes here. Let me take you. I won't be showing the house. That will be a surprise of another day, but today I'm going to take you along. I want to do something, like I want to take some few things from the village. You know, you can't come in the village and live empty-handed. You know, there are so many phones. Like you can see the maize here, but I'm not carrying that. It's so not yet. Yeah, so let me take you along, guys. I hope you enjoy. See, it's raining actually on me. Yeah, it has been that since morning. And it's 10 a.m. right now. Didn't leave this. Look at this grass. It's so cute. I can't wait until it grows. And then we have flowers. Let me show you guys. I just love these flowers. You see? I think I should carry some. Look at these flowers. It will be so beautiful when they grow. You know, this flower, it's just like that over there. That. Can you imagine all these flowers here? It's so amazing. So my brother and my mom were the ones who are doing the grass thing. And yeah. So this is it. This is so amazing, guys. So many flowers. Look. Loves flowers so much. And the beauty of the village, guys. Look. These are just pili peppers. I'm just going to carry these. These are so ash. They are so sweet. I'm going to carry them. They look so beautiful. Look. Oh my. There's so many. This is in the compound. Look. It's actually too already. But I don't like pawpaws. I grew up eating this. But I can carry one for hubby and Taraji. They love pawpaws. For me, I don't like pawpaws. I don't know. It's because I grew up eating them. So I don't like. And look, bananas and arrowroot. Now this is my mom. You'll find this in her compound. She has planted all these. These are arrowroots. They're all grown. We have sugar cane here and there. Bananas. And so many bananas here. Let me tell you guys. So many bananas. Here, I don't think people go hungry in the village. And so many, we still have grass here. Guys, you can't see this compound when it finishes up. I think she has put this firewood so that people cannot walk on them. And flowers, as you can see. These are flowers. The compound. And this is the fence. This is the neighbor's place. So, yeah. So this is how it looks here. I'm going to carry sweet potatoes. That's why we are waiting for the rain to stop so that I can carry sweet potatoes. I'm going also to my sister's place and I'll be getting arrowroots. And wow, yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I feel like I should not leave. Guys, as you can see, I'm still in the shamba. So we came to get sweet potatoes and I was checking some things here. Like, let me show you. So this is my mom's shamba and we have water here. Look, just coming from the ground. But my brother here is like digging the hole and it's coming with water. So it's hard to dig more, but he has to. Look. And he has his mogoka here. Let me show you how mogoka looks like from the ground, like this one. See? It's amazing. Let's look at this view, guys. That's why I love the village. Look, so there's land up to the river. There's like a small river there. Guys, look at these fruits. We call them blue, black fruits. Let me show you. These are them, guys. If you know these, they are blue, but I don't know why we call them like that, but they are black. So imagine telling someone this is corn blue. Someone who doesn't know our mother tongue. Blue, black. They should be called black. Yeah. To eat this, and guys, you know how they dust your body when you eat a lot. Yeah. Oh my God, we were eating them when we were so young, and now I feel like they are not tasty anymore. I don't know. And we used to go far to people's lands and collect this. So one thing about us, this land, this is not where we grew up. We were used to live in another, so we used to live apart from this hill. There's another hill over there. It's far from here. That's where we grew up. And so we used to come to people's land like where we are living now, because they earn this a lot of fruit. You can imagine, we used to come all the way here and collect this. And my mom used to beat the hell out of me. My mom didn't like us going to people's places and all. She was so strict. Oh my God, I used to get that beating, you know, for going to collect this. So guys, let me see. Let's go get the sweet potatoes, flowers. I'll show you when we get home. Like my mom has harvested them. These are the sunflowers. I just need to ask her what they're for. There were so many. I didn't know she had sunflowers. So let's go. I think here I can ask my mom for a land where I need to like grow maize and everything, and she'll just give me. She'll tell me, go and prepare that land. It will be yours. How amazing is that? Should I become a farmer? And now the sweet potatoes. Look, and mom is here. Want some? Look, they are all the way this way. Look. I think people in the village don't know how rich they are. Like they can come here. Like this, we can buy them with a lot of cash. We normally buy them, but for me, I don't buy sweet potatoes and arrowroot because I don't know how they grow them in Nairobi, and I like fresh things. Here, I know there is no sewage. That's why I prefer the village food than the Nairobi. Yeah. Guys, listen to that. I always promise you that I will take you to our river. Let me show you. Okay, if you watch Marwa, this is like Marwa's place. Oh my. The funny thing, I've never been here. Actually, this river goes up the way that way, so I normally get to the other side. I didn't come here when I was here. Like I said, we didn't grow in this area. That's why I'm touring. This is our land, that is, and my mom has done a great job here. She said that this land is so fertile. You can see the stones, but still it's fertile. Look, so clear. That's my younger brother over there. So let me show you the beauty here, guys. Listen to that. My goodness. This is fresh water. You can actually drink this water. This is where I can shower. You can shower here actually. It goes all the way up, and our land is just here. Can you imagine here? It'll take me up there again. It was so exciting coming here, but now going back, it's a hill. So I have my mom here and my brother. Hi guys, I'm back in Nairobi, and yeah, I didn't take you the whole way, but I'm back. I came actually pretty late, like around 10 p.m. and yeah, but we got home safe and sound, we thank God. And I brought with me some things. Let me show you what I got from home, guys. See, okay, to be honest, my sister told me she just bought these. You know, we don't have that avocado tree, so she bought them. And then the sugar canes I was given from my grandma's. Then I have arrowroots. They are here. Actually, I'm going to cook pan-fried arrowroots with stew meat. Amazing, right? And these one are the ones I got from my mom. The sweet potatoes. These will be for breakfast. And this one, I'm going to deep fry them with, you know what, the stew. It will be so amazing. I normally buy these from a friend of my sister's, yeah, but she doesn't sell to anybody, just me. She doesn't like to sell. I'm so lucky, guys. So see, they are here. And the only thing I got from home, they are pawpaws and sweet potatoes. These are the ones I didn't buy, and the sugar cane. Yeah, and I don't know whether this one is good. Look at how it looks like. I want to cut it and see. So yeah, guys, that's what I got. Yeah, those things. Yes, that's it for the video for the village. I came home safe and sound, like I said, and I'm going to share with you more videos with you guys. But enjoy this one. Don't forget to like, to share, comment, and always leave a comment. And for my commenters, thank you so much. My 2,400 my subscribers, I love you so much. I know we are few, but one day we will grow to be a big family. And I appreciate you, each one of you guys, for those who watches my video continuously, who support me. I'm so grateful. Okay. Do you want to say something? What do you want to say? Say something. Say something. So say.
I don't know.
You don't know? Say like.
Like.
Subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, loud now.
Bye.
So yeah, guys, see you later. Bye.
Empty hearts.